Hi everyone! Today I'm cleaning our little chicken farm. I gently collect all the fresh eggs, and I can see how happy the chickens are. Using my hoe, I clean all the droppings, making the farm feel fresh again. Then I sprinkle fresh feed and apply a protective spray. I place each egg neatly, and the chickens happily start eating. Such simple little tasks, but this farm moment feels so joyful and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, subtly don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.